This video isn't about America. It just looks like it is. By the end, you'll realize the thing you think you're obsessed with isn't actually the thing pulling you in at all. Right now, somewhere in the world, a teenager who has never set foot in the United States is wearing an American brand, watching an American show, and dreaming about American success. And the strange part? It was never really about America at all. What you're about to learn explains why humans everywhere are pulled toward power. And once you see it, you'll notice it in your own life, in places you never expected. Here's where it starts. For most of human history, survival depended on picking the right group to belong to. If you aligned yourself with the strongest, most resourceful tribe, you ate better, you were protected better, you survived better. So your brain developed a shortcut. Notice who's dominant and move toward them. That shortcut never switched off. It just changed targets. Scientists call this prestige bias, and it's one of the most powerful, least talked about forces shaping human behavior. Your brain doesn't just copy successful individuals. It copies successful groups, their language, their style, their habits. Not because those things are objectively better, but because your brain assumes if they're dominant, they must be doing something right. This is where it gets interesting though, because prestige bias doesn't just make you admire a dominant group. It makes you trust them more, believe them more easily, and want to be near them, even through a screen. Every movie, every show, every viral clip from a dominant culture is, to your ancient brain, evidence of strength. And strength has always meant safety. But here's the twist almost nobody talks about. This has nothing to do with America specifically. Rewind a few centuries, and this same psychological pull existed for Rome, for Britain, for whichever culture held the most visible power at the time. Your brain isn't loyal to a country. It's loyal to dominance, wherever it happens to be standing. Which means if global power shifts, and history says it eventually will, this same obsession will simply move to whoever's next. So the real question isn't, why is everyone obsessed with America? It's, why is your brain built to be obsessed with whoever's winning? And that answer is older than any nation on the map. If this changed how you see something you assumed was just culture or coincidence, that's exactly what this channel is for. Subscribe, because next time we're going even further back, to the instinct hiding behind something you do every single day without noticing. I'll see you in the next video.
Please like and subscribe.